Now friends, let's see this question. This is from CAT 2002. If there are 10 positive real numbers n1 is less than n2 is less than n3 is less than dash 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 till n10, that means there are 10 numbers and they are written in ascending order over here. How many triplets of these numbers n1, n2, n3, n2, n3, n4 can be generated such that in each triplet the first number is always less than the second and the second number is always less than the third? That means n1 is less than n2 is less than n3. That means the three numbers are written in descending order, right? So a simple conceptual problem. See, we have to make the triplets and we have to select the three numbers from this 10 numbers. So how many ways we can select? 10C3, right? Now we have to make the arrangement where n1 is less than n2, where n2 is less than n3, right? So it's just a single arrangement is possible if we have three numbers. Suppose we chose the three numbers as 3, 7, 2, right? So in how many ways we can arrange them so where the numbers are in ascending order? That will be just a single arrangement, that is 2, 3, 7, right? So we got all the combination of three numbers from these 10 numbers, and there is a single way of arranging these three numbers, that is the ascending order, right? So whenever we want to arrange the number in ascending order, it's just a single way, just a single way, right? If the numbers are fixed. So 10C3, the total combinations are there and arrangements will be 1 only. So in all 10C3 is our answer. Now 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 factorial, that is 6, or we can say 3 into 2. So it's 2 4s are and 3 3s are. So 3 4s are 12 into 10. In all there will be 120 sets, or we can say 120 triplets, right? I hope you are clear. Further, we have done good number of problems, in fact difficult one problems in this session. We'll be taking more problems from the previous year CAT papers and previous year like other examination papers. So let's meet in the next session once again. Bye bye.